We're going to be giving our tips on owning this Coleman portable gas grill that we've owned for over 3 years. Glenn can't wait to show us the setup, and here he's releasing the latch. The tip is to brace the leg with your foot and pull up on the handle. Coleman also provides propane tanks that are sold separately. Turn the knob to the ignition position and then push the red button to ignite the burner. Then close the cover and let it warm up for about 10 minutes before cooking. Make sure you turn off the knob when you stop grilling. Afterwards, I'll be demonstrating a quick breakdown. Be sure to turn off the knob. What also is convenient is that the top grill is removable, so it can actually clean it a lot easier. It's also a good idea to remove the grease from the grease trap that's in the bottom of the grill. It's actually easy to remove and place back in. Be sure you securely lock the latch before you fold up the grill. Here I'm pointing out the lock latch. Again, brace the leg with your foot, pull towards it and lift up and push down. Here's where you lock the latch before you can pick it up and roll it away. Overall, it's easy to maintain and store in your vehicle for trips. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.